Let me start with a bold statement. Your life is only 5 minutes away from feeling more together. Seriously. And before you roll your eyes, let me ask you something. Have you ever spent an entire day stressed because of one tiny thing you kept avoiding? A message you didn't reply to? A pile of clothes in the corner? That one task you swear you'll get to later? It's wild how such small things can make your whole life feel heavier. But the truth is, the fix is way smaller than you think. Today, I'm going to show you a simple tool called the 5-minute rule. And once you understand it, you'll stop feeling like your life is a huge project and start realizing it's just a series of tiny, doable moments. Here's something nobody tells you. Most people don't feel behind because they're lazy. They feel behind because everything around them feels emotionally large. Your room looks messy, feels big. Your to-do list keeps growing, feels big. Your goals? Giant. But emotionally big doesn't mean logically hard. Cleaning your desk isn't complicated. Folding laundry isn't complicated. Drinking water isn't complicated. What makes them feel overwhelming is the pressure we attach to them. And that's exactly why the 5-minute rule works so fast. It removes the emotional weight and replaces it with something small enough that your brain doesn't fight it. To keep this super simple and super doable, we're going to break the video into 3 parts. 1. Why the 5-minute rule works. The psychology behind why your brain relaxes when things feel small. 2. How to use it step by step. With real examples you can literally try today. 3. The momentum effect. How these tiny actions quietly build a more organized, more confident version of you. You don't need to take notes. You don't need to prepare. Just listen, feel seen, and try it once today. Why the 5-minute rule works. Let's start with a question. Is the problem really that something is hard, or does it just feel heavy? Most of the time, life doesn't overwhelm us because tasks are difficult. It overwhelms us because our brains interpret unfinished things as threats. Not dangerous threats, more like background stress that never shuts off. The 5-minute rule breaks this cycle because it gives the brain something it loves. A finish line that feels safe. A task that doesn't require emotional energy. A tiny commitment that rebuilds trust in yourself. When you tell yourself, "I'm only doing this for 5 minutes," your brain stops panicking and starts cooperating. And once that resistance is gone, 5 minutes becomes surprisingly powerful. How to use the 5-minute rule, step by step. Step 1. Pick one tiny task, something laughably small. Not clean my room, not catch up on everything. Just one thing like, make the bed. Wash 5 dishes. Write 1 sentence. Stretch for 5 minutes. Delete 10 emails. Drink a glass of water. Small equals doable. Doable equals momentum. Step 2. Set a timer for exactly 5 minutes. Don't freestyle it. 5 minutes is key because it removes pressure. You're not finishing the task, you're simply starting it. Step 3. Stop when the timer goes off. This surprises people, but it's important. Stopping builds trust with your own brain. It proves you're not forcing yourself. You're guiding yourself. And what happens next? 90% of the time, you'll naturally keep going because the hardest part, starting, is already done. But even if you stop, you still win. Because 5 minutes is progress. And progress is what makes your life feel lighter. Part 3. The momentum effect. Here's where the magic happens. One 5-minute task doesn't change your life. But doing one tiny thing every day, that transforms everything. You build a pattern of showing up for yourself, lowering emotional resistance, proving you can do what you say, feeling more in control, reducing the background noise in your mind, and those small wins start stacking. One clean corner becomes a clean room. One answered message becomes an empty inbox. One 5-minute stretch becomes a fitness routine. Momentum is sneaky, and it's powerful. So if your life has felt heavy, messy, or just a bit too much lately, please remember this. You're not failing. You're overwhelmed. And overwhelm can be solved in 5 minutes. Try the rule today. Pick one tiny thing. Set the timer. Start. You'll be shocked at how quickly your life starts feeling more together. One small win at a time. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe. Let's keep building your life gently and simply from the inside out.